Hey, what's up, y'all? It's your girl Jay. So real quick, I'm not doing a full voiceover, just want to come through with a quick intro on the video. So what I will be doing is stitch braids on my mannequin. Yes, stitch braids on my mannequin. Is that what she said? Yes, that's what I said, girlfriend. So we're about to get into this hairstyle real quick. Give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. We will be doing more videos on braids, stitch braids, knotless, small stitch braids, all that good stuff. I do have an edge control that I am working on for Pretty Babes Hustle, my brand, my love, my life. I am working on an edge control and braid gem for my ladies out here and my hairstylists out here. So yes, look forward to hearing more information about that on my channel. This is one of the samples that I am using, but guess what? I won't be using this edge control. I do have other edge control formulas that I'm working on using. So that is what I'll be doing. I do have hair left out in the front of my mannequin hair for baby hairs that I'll be cutting in. And that's pretty much it. Just enjoy the video, rock out. Like I said, leave me comments in the description box. Too fast. Leave me comments in the comments section on what other hairstyles you want to see me do, what braids you want to see me do. I did 3 braids on my mannequin, but do you want to see me do a full head? Do you want to see me do squiggly parts, knotless braids, small, large, medium, extra long? Let me know what you need help with. We're gonna learn this together. Okay, see y'all at the end of the video. Bye. All right, ladies, that wrap up this video. We are at the end of the 3rd braid, so I'm just finishing up lengthening my braid, adding in more extension hair. I am located in Detroit, Michigan, so if you are in Detroit on the west side area, or if you east side, you can come to me too on west side. You can hit me up. My booking info is in the description box, my booking link and all that good information. So yeah, make sure y'all give me that thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Like I said, more information on that edge control and braid jams coming for Pretty Babes Hustle. More tutorials coming and demonstrations. Make sure y'all drop them comments on what y'all want to see me do, what styles y'all want to see me practice, braid styles, lace installs, all that good jazz. And yeah, I'm gonna see y'all at the top. Bye, love you. Mwah.
Mannequin, this feel.